Friends, welcome to Physics Live channel. Today we are going to study some important equation in classical mechanics. F external is equal to dp by dt, that is derivative of momentum. F12 is equal to minus F21, that is action is equal to reaction. F is equal to ma, that is mass into acceleration. Acceleration is equal to dv by dt, derivative of velocity with respect to time, and that also equal to d square x by dt square, that's also equal to v into dv by dx. Acceleration due to gravity g is equal to capital G into capital M by small r square, where capital G is the gravitational constant, m is the mass of the body or mass of the planet. Gravitational potential energy, that's equal to minus g mm divided by r. For an equilibrium of a system, force net, that's equal to 0, that is F net is equal to 0. We know that F net is equal to 0 means derivative of potential is equal to 0. To find the frequency, k is equal to m omega square dou square v by dou x square. If the potential is given, we have to find the frequency by double derivative of potential with respect to position. D'Alembert's principle, summation over I F net is equal to 0. Summation over Fi minus Pi dot is equal to 0. Principle of virtual work means summation over I Fi C dot delta Ri is equal to 0. C means constrained force work is equal to 0. Generalized force Qj is equal to d by dt of dou t by dou q dot minus dou t by dou q. Qj is equal to d by dt of dou v by dou q dot minus dou v by dou q. T is kinetic energy, q is generalized coordinates, q dot is generalized velocity, v is potential energy. Lagrange is equal to L is equal to E minus V. D by dt of dou L by dou q dot minus dou L by dou q is equal to 0. This is Lagrange's equation of motion. Gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. G is the acceleration due to gravity, m is mass, h is height. Elastic potential energy is equal to half kx square. K is the spring constant, x is distance or extension. Electrostatic potential energy, that's equal to q phi. Phi is potential, so q phi is electrostatic potential energy. Central potential energy V is equal to minus of integral infinity to r f dot dr. Cartesian coordinates, Lagrange is equal to half into m into x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square minus v of x y z. Plane polar, half into m into r dot square plus r square theta dot square minus v of r comma theta. Spherical, L is equal to half into m r dot square plus r square theta dot square plus r square sin square theta phi dot square minus v of r comma theta comma phi. Cylindrical, L is equal to half into m into rho dot square plus rho square phi dot square plus z dot square minus v of rho phi z. Gravitational force F of r is equal to minus gmm by r square r cap. For central force, trajectory is plane curve, angular momentum is conserved, area velocity is constant, total energy is conserved. For moment of inertia for any body, that's equal to mk square. K is radiation of gyration. For circular ring through the center of mass, Iz is equal to mr square. Id, the diagonal moment of inertia, that is mr square by 2. Circular disc, Iz is equal to mr square by 2. Id is equal to mr square by 4. Thin rod, center of mass moment of inertia, that is ml square by 12. Inside moment of inertia, ml square by 3. For hollow sphere, Id is equal to 2 by 3 mr square. For solid sphere, Id is equal to 2 by 5 mr square. For pure rolling, velocity is equal to r omega. Omega is angular velocity. A is equal to r alpha. Alpha is angular acceleration. Total kinetic energy is equal to half mv square into 1 plus k square by r square for pure rolling. Parallel axis theorem, we know that I parallel is equal to Ig plus md square. Ig is the moment of inertia at center of mass. Let v1 and v2 are two vectors which acts with an angle theta. The resultant v is equal to under root v1 square plus v2 square plus 2v1 v2 cos theta. Generalized momentum P is equal to dou L by dou Q dot. P dot is equal to dou L by dou Q, where P is momentum, L is Lagrangian, Q is generalized coordinate, Q dot is generalized velocity. Hamiltonian is equal to H is equal to T plus V. Qi dot is equal to dou H by dou Pi, Pi dot is equal to minus dou H by dou Qi, dou H by dou T is equal to minus dou L by dou T. We have to find Hamiltonian by knowing Lagrange, that is H is equal to summation over I Qi dot Pi minus L, L is equal to summation over I Qi dot Pi minus H. To find Poisson bracket of two functions f comma h, that's equal to summation over I dou f by dou Qi into dou H by dou Pi minus dou f by dou Pi dou H by dou Qi. Okay, df by dt, that's equal to Poisson bracket of f comma h plus dou f by dou t. Poisson bracket of x comma p is equal to 1. X comma p square Poisson bracket, that's equal to 2p. X square comma p square is equal to 4xp. X comma p inverse is equal to minus 1 by p square. Thank you for watching.